everyone! Today I'm making something really special. It's my household's favorite called Georgian cheese bread. It's also known as Adjaruli Khachapuri. All you need for this is some shredded cheese and dough. So you can find the dough recipe separately in my channel, okay? Let's get started. So I'm gonna show you that dough is already risen, as you can see. We just have to take it out. Oh my goodness, it's a nice one. It's a yeast dough. Rises really well. We just need some extra flour for this. And I think from this amount of dough, I'm going to make about 5 cheese boats, as they call it. So I divided my dough into 4 pieces. This could have been done also too, depending on the sizes of your cheese bread, but I made it 4 to make it nice and small, okay? So we start with opening it. Just where it's, as you can see, it's a very, very soft dough, so be careful while opening it. So this is good enough. Now it's time to add the cheese. What I use for cheese is mozzarella cheese and feta cheese mixed together. You can add any other cheese you would like to. So we are simply putting the cheese here. Again, if you like lots of cheese, then you put a lot. If not, just slightly. Depends on the taste. Here you go. After that, this is what we do. We just simply kind of put together and connect the ends and create a nice cheese boat. Okay, ready to go into the oven. I preheated oven for 400 Fahrenheit. We're gonna put it in the oven, and there is something else we are going to do. I'll tell you later. So in about 10-13 minutes, we are taking it out, and it's almost done, not quite golden yet. So we're gonna add eggs, okay? Here. Just like this. This is optional. If you don't like eggs, you don't have to do it, but it's really tastes good. Oops. And you are going to put it back into the oven for another maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? So all that left to do is to eat this beautiful cheese ball. I like to add a little bit of pepper. Then we actually start from the corners and just dip the bread to mix the eggs and cheese together. It's still hot, but it's delicious. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and share for more.